guys, this is the new watch and I have been able to see the device. I don't know what's happening. They don't let you shoot or make video in front of the device itself. It's good. It's the same, but the size is bigger, which seemed good to me, the 16 Pro Max. So let's see if we can pull some strings and be able to get a grip on the device. Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Hope you're doing well. Another day, another video. So today I'm here at a place called Doors. It's in Dubai Mall, Fashion Avenue. I'm here for a very special food night. So I'll take you with me. And do you see the beauty over here? So let's go inside and capture the details for you guys. See, this is how pretty this place is. So guys, this is the ambience of the place. It's really pretty. You could see outside they have the Dubai fountain view. You can see the fountains coming up. It's the fountain show that's going on right now. And we have this pretty caviar on our mango fizz drink. So this is how it is. So once the food comes in, then I'll definitely show you how it turns out. And yeah, that's a peaceful place, and we'll order shisha in a while as well, so I'll let you know which flavor goes best over here. So guys, this is the kofta that we ordered with bread. So, and it has a very good essence or fragrance coming out of it. So this is the look. I'll try and I'll let you guys know how is the taste. So this place is called Doors. It's in Fashion Avenue at the level 4 if you want to come in Dubai Mall. This is their Iskandar kebab. So guys, I'm back. I had a very eventful evening. The food was so good, the ambience was so good. So here it is, the Fashion Avenue. It is one of the most favorite places I have in Dubai overall, and it's in Dubai Mall. And you see the beauty from here. It's a must visit place if you haven't visited ever, and it has so many luxury shops and eateries. And there's another eatery by the name of Choco Melt. It's mostly fully booked all the time, but let's go and see and try if we get to find a space over there. And then we have Logma over here as well. So guys, this is how it is. The Fashion Avenue, this is the main part, like the main entrance, and you can see the luxury brands over there. Maybe someday I'll come and spend a day over here and show you what actually is over here. So there's that place called Choco Melt over there. Let me zoom it a bit for you guys. This one, but it's so full right now. Their coffee and their desserts are the best in Dubai, trust me on that. So let's wait till that time. I'll go, and because iPhone 16 Pro is out now, so let's go and see. We have version in front of us, so let's go and see on version what's all the hype about. So let's go and discover and see how iPhone 16 is. So, and the new watch, what's that, watch 10. So stick around, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let me show you what all the hype is about. So guys, this is a very cute little insect. I don't want to take the name because I may take it wrong. They have kept it as a, decoration over here, but it looks cute. So yeah, the Virgin guys, they did not let us go inside and see the phone. I don't know why. They just demarcated the area. So I'm going to another place named as Jumbo to see if I can hop on and see over there, because the Apple store over here is humongously, overcrowded, right? So I just don't want to go and wait in the queues and stuff like that. In the meantime, the Emax also has the iPhone being displayed over there. Let's see. Emax is more closer to me, so if I can go and see how the new Pros are, I just want to have a look and show it to you guys as well, so you have a better idea. They came into display since yesterday, since 20th September. So just stick around and make sure to subscribe to my channel. So yes, this is the new watch and I have been able to see the device. I don't know what's happening. They don't let you shoot or make video in front of the device itself. It's good. It's the same, but the size is bigger, which seemed good to me, the 16 Pro Max. So let's see if we can pull some strings and be able to get a grip on the device. I have been an Apple user since a while now, like since 5-6 years, but I keep on switching between Apple and Samsung. So let's see if I make my mind to go back, because they have that new camera related button for people like us to shoot. So I'm going back to Virgin because my husband is there. It has a huge gaming collection over there for the gaming geeks. So I'm just going back to him. And the color, I just want to see the color as well before making a choice, because I thought that the desert titanium color would be good, but it's more like a rose gold color that has been there since a while for Apple. So better to go for snow white titanium this time. So yeah, that's the bit. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you guys the actual device because they are not allowing to shoot. Maybe in the Apple store they do allow. Let's see if we can go over there and I can show it to you. And this is the scenes we have from Dubai Mall itself. It's really happening. It's really amazing. It's a while since I came to Dubai Mall on a weekend. So yeah, there's a cafe over there. Here it is. I don't remember the name. It has amazing coffee. I used to have it in the days when I was not working and I was just making videos only, not a full-time job, but that was an amazing place. Anyhow, let's go back to Virgin and then let's see if we get to see the other colors of 16 Pro Max. It's not basically a very big update, but yeah, the screen size is big, and for people like us who use it very often or who are power users, the bigger screen size may help. So that's the story after what I wanted to show you. But yeah, so stay tuned and let's show you some place where we go for some dessert or something, and I'll be back with the updates. So guys, at last, after so many years, I am at Chocomelt. You could see from here. So our coffees are here, and now we are waiting for our dessert. So it's in Fashion Avenue. We are sitting among a lot of people, so I cannot put just the camera on their face. So for now, it's just a cappuccino and cookie for you guys. We are still waiting on our dessert. Let it come over, and then I'll show you how amazing that looks, and it tastes amazing as well. Yeah. So here's the chocolate malt cappuccino for you, and they have made kind of a swan, kind of a bird on the coffee. So yeah. So guys, this is the dessert. It's their peanut sauce something brownie, and it has ice cream on the top, and the peanut sauce is on the top of the ice cream. And then we have 2 brownie slices. The portion is quite big, so it's better to share. 2 people can share it easily. So this is from my side from Dubai Mall, and I hope you have liked my content. Today it was more around food, but then some days it's like this, and some days you would see like me showing you things around. So yeah, this is how it is. So until next time, I'm taking sign off from you guys, and then we'll meet in the very next video with some more interesting content for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch up with you guys in my very next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.